2012 RT Challenger. Got the stock outlet converters. Comes with a factory X pipe. We just put 2 Magnaflow Magnapacks on it. And he brought it earlier and we straight piped the back. And put some blue flame tips on it. Right there. And right there. Got the blue stripes too on it. There's where the Magnaflows goes, the Magnaflow Magnapacks. You always want to put them in the middle, they sound a lot better than off this back. And then a straight pipe after that. Got beautiful blue stripes right down the center. It's the RT. Yeah. The Magnaflow Magnapacks really came it down. Just give it a nice deep toe. It's nice and deep now. No more raspiness, you know, when it's straight pipe. The Murder's out 10. Gives it a really beautiful look. Custom HEMI Magnaflow Magnapacks on it. And that's how it's done.